Hello, everyone.
We're making banana brownies.
We need to peel banana, peel banana.
Break it in half and mash bananas, mash bananas.
Mash them until they're all mushy.
What's that?
It's whipped cream.
And cake mix.
Let's mix them up.
Banana brownies, banana brownies, banana brownies. Banana brownies, banana brownies, banana brownies. Dark chocolate. Let's melt it in the microwave.
It's melted. Mix it up.
And pour it in the mixture.
Are you ready to mix?
Banana brownies, banana brownies, banana brownies. Banana brownies, banana brownies, banana brownies. There, all done. Let's pour it in the tray.
Pour, pour, pour. Put it in the oven for 10 minutes.
Bake, bake, bake. What does it smell like?
It smells like bananas and chocolate. What does it taste like?
It tastes like bananas and chocolate.
It looks so delicious.
It's sweet. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.